Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, February 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at this as a downtrend. I still think there's a very good chance it's going to end up going down, most likely to making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. I think the 100% or potentially the 78.6 is a very likely target for this to end up. If it really is a wave C, if it really is a wave 3, then it potentially could go a lot lower than that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down right here is a wave 1. I still think this move up right here is a wave 2. The question is whether or not the wave 2 is really over or not. I'm not really convinced that it is actually over. I actually still think the 61% is a more likely area for this to turn to the downside. But if we get a break of structure or a big engulfing move on the daily time frame, then I definitely will start looking for shorts again. So going down to the daily. So on the daily time frame, I've definitely been looking for longs for the last several weeks. I do suspect that this is a corrective wave 2, but until I actually get proof that the wave 2 is over, I am definitely going to continue to look for longs. This move down was very strong, but it really has not made an engulfing candle to the downside, telling me that it very easily could just keep on trending up, which is still definitely what I'm leaning towards. Most wave 2s do take out the high of wave 4, and I think the 61.8 is a more likely area for this wave 2 to go before it actually does continue down for this big wave 3. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame, I definitely am primarily still looking for longs, even though this move down is very strong. I'm definitely looking for something like this, like a big break of structure to the upside, especially if it turns at a Fibonacci retracement level, which I'll show you on the 1 hour time frame. If I do get that, then I definitely will start. I will go long, and I will continue to look for longs. Now, on the other hand, if it does go down and start breaking structure to the downside, that will definitely convert me into a seller. But the daily time frame and up have definitely not told me that it's going down, so I definitely am looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. We are kind of right in between two Fib levels right now, so really what I would like to see is one more push down, a bounce off of 78.6, a break of structure. If I see this picture right here, I definitely would take it for a long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, on the other hand, if it does go down and break this daily time frame structure, then I will definitely stop looking for longs and I definitely will start looking for shorts again. But really, if you are a scalper, if you are trading like the 1 to 15-minute time frame, ever since we got these lower highs and this break of structure back here on Wednesday, you could definitely have been looking for shorts for the last few days. That is a very, very valid strategy. But for me, I do trade like the 1 to 4 hour time frame, more of a swing trading type strategy. So for me, I patiently wait for the end of a correction, and then once I see that end of a correction, I'll go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.